This is the Carnival Breeze, cabin 7447. That's our signature cabin identifier. If you see this on a cruise ship, you know where we are. And this is a balcony room. So on the Breeze, you have to put your card into the card slot for the lights to work. So if you remove the card, oh, they stay on. Okay, well they'll probably go off in a few minutes. So anyway, it's gotta have your, that's a unique thing for the Breeze. I don't believe there's another ship that has that. So this is a balcony cabin. One way you can tell the difference between a balcony and a cove balcony is that this is wide open. If this was a cove balcony, these corners would be blocked off, and you'd only have sort of a circular rectangle to look out. So we're currently in Galveston, and we just got on board the ship. This is a configuration with 2 beds. Also has the pull-out couch. This is just Sam's luggage here. So this is just Sam and I. We won't need this to be turned into a bed at all. And you got your TV, remote, standard things, drawers. And this is the fridge. But it's not a mini bar. You don't have to worry about what's in there. You just put your own stuff in there. Now this is one of the unique things about the Breeze. You get 2 electrical outlets. Most Carnival ships you only get 1. So that's a nice touch. Now, this is a pretty standard bathroom here. You get your shower stall, toilet, the usual sort of things. A nice temperature control thermostat there. And of course the luggage mat.